Let's see if we can make this oh, I could put it right there too. I could put it in there. Look at the way though. Oh jeez, who's been digging out here? Darn it. Dug up my garlic. Let's see if I can get this in here. Alright, let's try. To put right here. Oh, of course I grabbed a butt nail. Damn it. This ain't gonna work. It's not gonna work. It's not working. What am I gonna do? I guess I could just put it in here. See if the birds like that. Let's see if the birds like that. Hi, the squirrels. Hi, the damn squirrels. No, we're just gonna pour it in there and hope for the best. Alright. There's a little bit left. Let's see if they find it. I'm gonna put a camera on it. Let's see if we get any activity. I'm not gonna do anything. Just shooting straight up in the air. I don't think I'm gonna see anything. Oh, you gotta put something behind it. Yeah, get something to put behind it. Maybe pretty close up, but we'll see if we get any activity. This one real close. Maybe I'll go back this way. Just put it up there. Yeah, how's that? That's better. That'll be better. Okay, let's see. Let's see if we get anything. Beautiful day. Okay. But the snowball's gonna fly tomorrow. We'll see tomorrow what happens.
Well, the squirrel knocked the camera over, and this is what I got with the camera upside down. The mice, they enjoyed the seed, didn't see it in the cranberries, but the squirrels, they love the cranberries. Well, I'm glad somebody did. Thanks for watching.